Hello kids, welcome to study session. In today's episode, we'll be diving into the world of basic sight words, focusing on the 1 to 2 letter word. But before that, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Kids, listen as I read the words and follow me afterwards. So, let's begin.
Ah.
Now, your turn.
Am.
Your turn.
N.
Your turn.
As.
Your turn.
At.
Your turn.
B.
Your turn.
He.
Now, your turn.
Me.
Your turn.
We.
Your turn.
Fi.
Your turn.
My.
Your turn.
Do.
Your turn.
Go.
Your turn.
No.
Your turn.
So.
Your turn.
Two.
Your turn.
I.
Your turn.
If.
Your turn.
In.
Your turn.
Is.
Your turn.
It.
Your turn.
Of.
Your turn.
On.
Your turn.
Or.
Your turn.
Up.
Your turn.
Us.
Your turn. For your exercises, set A, find all the boxes having the word am. I'll give you 15 seconds to do this. Time's up. Did you find all the boxes with the word am? How many boxes did you find? Very good. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 boxes with the word am. Now, for set B, listen as I say the word and find it. Let's begin. Number 1, find the word to. Find the word to. Number 2, find the word in. Find the word in. Number 3, find the word it. Find the word it. Number 4, find the word we. Find the word we. And for number 5, find the word my. Find the word my. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our fun learning adventures. See you next time.